Hi Sagittarians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the upcoming week. As I told you in my last readings, I've stopped putting dates to my readings because people then expect things to happen as per the dates, and tarot is very fluid. Time is fluid in tarot, so things might happen soon, things might happen later. Let's see what is the coming days hold for you. Alright. So you're holding on to, again, you're holding on to something. You're really fighting in your head. I feel you're not fighting with somebody else. What you don't see is a nice offer coming towards you, and you also have options. You have a lot of options, but you're not willing to see the options. Because you're holding on to something. It could be at work. It could be a relationship. Let me clarify this. Yes, you're walking away from things because you're holding too tight. There's a lot of passion, I understand. There's a lot of passion in this, what you're holding on to. But again, things will quickly change. The Fool card is here. You have to release this in order to for things to move ahead. Because you're walking away will serve you good. Walking away from things that you're holding on need to happen so that you take this offer which is coming towards you, and it is a good offer, it is a substantial offer, and things will quickly change for good, I feel. Let's see. For those in work, you will get again a good offer. You're juggling a lot between work and family, but this is a very this pattern that you're really juggling a lot of things has to end. Because I think that is the reason you're not enjoying what you're doing, because it's too much of an effort from your side. Let me see what the options have for you. See, the options that you have will bring you balance, will bring you stability, will give you the place that you want to go towards, right? It will take you towards the place that you want to go towards, but it is a very cutthroat competition there. You will definitely have to strive a little hard for there too, but it will definitely be much better than where you are today. In terms of relationship too, in terms of relationship, for those looking, there's a lot of passionate relationship coming towards you, but provided you leave the thing that you are currently holding on to. So that is the message that I'm getting right now, that you need to release things in order for new things to begin. Let me clarify with the major arcana cards. With a little bit of hard work. See, right now also you're juggling, right? You're juggling, but you're not getting enough results. But the moment you leave what you're holding on to, I think that release will A, give you a lot of offers, B, will also cleanse your energy. Yes, you need a lot of strength. Temperance coming to twice, which means you need to really balance your energies. You really need to leave. Things will really take a turn for good once you release this. It will take some of your strength. Yes, it is not easy. We all know that, but this needs to happen in order for balance to restore in your life, right? For those looking for love, let us see. You are adored. Like I said, you have options. Things are not as they appear because you're holding. It's not as if you need anyone, right? So you're holding on. I think for some of you, those who are holding on to a person just because you don't want to be alone, that's a very sad thing. You can survive without the toxic in your life, and things are not there as they appear. It's not that you're alone. If you feel that, oh, if this person is gone, what do I have? You have somebody who adores you. So don't be afraid to let go. Let's see how you can handle the situation. For some of you, you are attached to this person with money. You're attached to this person. You could be married, or you could be sharing some resources with them. That's why you're holding on. Maybe that's why, or for some of you at work, maybe you have invested in something, that's why you're holding on. So they're thinking, go for peace rather than money. Go for peace. Even if you lose something, you will gain a lot of peace. And trust me, peace has no value. Peace is no value means it's invaluable, to be honest. So universe is asking you to, if you have to choose between money and peace, choose peace. Even if you have to lose something, you will find peace. So that is what the message is for you for the coming days. I hope you liked it. All the best, and thank you for watching. I'll see you very soon.